Hello everyone. Did you know that your smartphones have two well-hidden sliders that constantly inundate you with ads? And you have no idea where they're hidden. They constantly use your mobile data and Wi-Fi to download various recommendations and ads. And, of course, they waste your data. Your RAM and processor are constantly under strain. And just ask yourself, why do I need these features that inundate you with ads that no one likes? I'll tell you all about it and show you where they are. Be sure to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. So, I think each of us installs various themes and wallpapers on our smartphones to decorate our desktops and smartphone screens. Your smartphones have these built-in settings and utilities that, by default, run constantly. Look, if I press my finger on the screen, I can go to this image here, then tap this smiley face, then tap settings, and you'll see two sliders. The first is whether you want to receive ads on your smartphone. Of course, let's turn it off. And we'll also turn off personalized recommendations. This applies to ads. After that, the standard settings and standard functions that let you set your desktop wallpaper will stop sending you the various ads you see while using your smartphone in stealth mode.